This 2023 Palomino Columbus 379 megabytes is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 41 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 9, awning, external shower, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, Slideout, LP detector, spare tire kit, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Palomino Columbus 379 megabytes is 12,624 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.